video, and it looks like I need a new clutch. So the clutch pedal is quite high up, and when we get into boost we start getting a bit of clutch slip as well, so that's not so good. So it might be time for a new clutch. As you can see, we're rolling along here. If we get on the power, you can see the revs rise, but the car doesn't increase in speed, and then it locks up and goes again. So it looks like it's time for a new clutch, I'm afraid. So I'm going to go order one, and we'll catch you on the next video. Bye.